Hello and good morning, my beautiful people. So my morning usually start at around 7 a.m. in the morning. I am not a morning person at all. That is me trying to ignore my alarm. I have finally decided to snooze it, but this time I am not going back to sleep because we all know when we snooze our alarm, we want to sleep for 30 more minutes, but we end up sleeping for 2 to 3 hours. That is me stretching up and finally getting out of bed. I put on my slippers and then I draw the curtains. I am also going to open the windows for natural light to get in. Next, I am going to visit the washroom because when everyone else wake up, they have the urge to visit the washroom. After I am done, I'm going to wash my hands. And the hand washing gel that I am using is Hobby and it smells really nice. When everyone wakes up, they want to freshen up with everything that is smelling nice, and I am starting with my hands smelling really nice. After that, I'm going to head back to my bedroom. Can you spot our cat? He came to say hello. At this time, I'm going to say a short prayer because we all know when we get out of the bedroom, we are not coming back to say a word of prayer. I am thanking God for the gift of life and for the gift of a new day. And then I'm going to make my bed because everyone loves when they come back in the evening for a well-made bed. Nobody wants to come back and start making their bed. We all want to jump in and catch some sleep. So I'm going to put back the pillows. And that is how easy and fast I make my bed. And then I'm going to brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. There are people who love brushing their teeth before they take breakfast, and there are also people who take their breakfast and then they brush their teeth. I am that person who will always brush before taking breakfast. After brushing my teeth, I'm going to wash my face. Also, there are people who wash their face when in the bathroom. I realized that my camera was not focusing. I'm using a Cera Ve Hydrating cleanser to foam. You spread it gently on your face and then you scrub. After you are done washing, you rinse your face. And after rinsing, you take your dry kitamba, you tap it in to dry. I am also drying my hands so that I can apply moisturizer. I am going in with Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. Apply it well on your face, your neck, and your ears. After that, I'm also going in with sunscreen. Even if I am not going out today, it is good to use your sunscreen. For my lips, I love using this Valon because it keeps my lips moisturized. Can you see the glow? That's me. Because I'm not going anywhere, I decided to put on something light. That is me saying good morning to our cats and cuddling them. I draw our curtains, our kitchen curtains. I open the windows. Then I'm going to wash my hands because I have touched the cats. For breakfast, I am going to prepare tea for mom, sausages, and I am going also to deep fry arrowroots for her. Mom really loves tea. That is why you're seeing me prepare a lot of tea. I'm going to add half a cup of water. I am also going to prepare some tea leaves. When the tea boils, I just put in. So those are the sausages. Mafuta ilikuwa ready, so ni kuweka tu sausages. The sausages are ready. And our tea has boiled. So this is mom's breakfast. Deep fried ndoma, sausages, and a cup of tea. For me, I'm going to have muesli and yogurt. My aunt is the one preparing this muesli. She's selling them at an affordable price. I am going to link her number in the description down below. If you love mueslis, you can call her. She will deliver them for you. They are very good for breakfast, especially for kids who are going to school, for your husband, and for your wives too. So this is how they look like. Mine doesn't have honey. If you love yours with honey, she can add honey for you. That is how it looks when you mix up with yogurt. When I am taking my breakfast, I always read a verse or two from the Bible. That is me cleaning my glasses. Then we read the Bible. Tunakula tukikula neno. After reading the Bible, I always write my to-do list. and I like writing my to-do list for the whole week. So I'm going to write everything that I will do for this whole week. After this, I'm heading out to water my plants and to clean the compound. I really hope you have enjoyed this vlog. I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.